Welcome. In front of me is a NOKIA 5.4 and today I'll show you how to boot the device into boot mode. So to get started, let's hold the power key, select power off, once it turns off you want to hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time. And when you see the Android with no command, hold power key, press volume up, and you should be in the recovery mode. So from here, scroll down to second option, which is reboot to bootloader, confirm it with power key, and there we go. As you can see, we are now in the boot mode. Now through this mode, again using volume keys, you will cycle through all the options, although they will be only visible right over here. As you can see, we can power off, start, which will go back to Android, restart bootloader, which just takes us back to where we are, and then go back to recovery mode, and it cycles through beginning again. So whatever you select, then you confirm it with power key, and because I selected start, I'm just gonna now go back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.